Bonjour les amis, today we're going to cook moules frites or mussel with chips. So I just back to my local supermarket where I found this lovely mussels. So it's very cheap and easy to do. You just need to clean the mussel and cook them after. So how to clean it is very easy. You need to remove all these things like that. You take your knife and you slice inside. And after you can grate little bit. Voilà. Don't need to be perfect because we're eating what is inside. So one done, and now you do the other one. So take this barb there, slice it from the mussel, little bit with your knife, and it's done. And you carry on till you're finished. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step recipe how to do a proper French moule frite. Easy and very cheap. Et voilà, les moules sont cuites. The mussels are cooked now. When you see the mussel open like that, it means they are cooked. So just need to put on the dish, moule dish, and it smells so lovely. You can put some juice. Voilà. Okay, so everything is ready. We have some chips, some moules frites, as we say in France. So I'm going to show you how to eat them. So you take one moule. So lovely. And you're going to use that as your fork. That is a chopstick, French chopstick. You take one chips, even two, you start, and after you use that to open, take your mussels and eat them with some frites. Perfect. What do you need more? Nothing. So, as usual, all the ingredients and all the recipe will be at the end of the video. So check on it to have all the recipe with all we need to do the lovely moule frites. Thank you very much. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This makes a lot for me. Thank you very much. Bye. Bon appétit.